Welcome to 59 Treetop Circle, Unit 34, in Laconia, New Hampshire. Step inside this updated, open-concept condo. The living room features a cozy wood-burning fireplace and sliding doors that let in plenty of natural light. The kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, beautiful cabinetry, and a stylish mosaic tile backsplash. Adjacent is a comfortable dining space, perfect for enjoying meals together. The generously sized second bedroom is ideal for guests, conveniently located just steps from a full bathroom. The primary suite offers a relaxing retreat, complete with double closets and its own private full bath. Step out to your private balcony to enjoy peaceful woodland views. Schedule your tour today.